are going to love the 2018 Audi Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, navigation package, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, remote keyless entry, tachometer, leather seats, brake assist, overhead console. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.